So your Mercedes key fob is dead. Let me show you how to replace it in less than 60 seconds. So what you need is a 2032 CR battery, and this can be found almost anywhere for cheap. Even your local grocery store probably has it, or you could get a 6-pack off Amazon for like 10 bucks. So once you have that, flip over your key and hold that small square tab at the bottom of the fob and push out the mechanical key. Now while still holding that square tab, press your thumb over the black plastic piece and slide outwards. As you can see, there's a small tray holding the battery, and just use your nail to take it out. And you'll also see that the battery logo is facing downwards, so make sure that you place the new battery back upside down. Put it back into the tray and just slide it into the slot. Now grab that black plastic piece and slide it back into the fob, and simply put the mechanical key fob back into its slot. Boom, there you go. That's how you change your Mercedes key fob in less than 60 seconds. Happy driving, everyone.